This is a Whittle Shortline Railroad Wooden Denver and Rio Grande Western Railroad, or D&RGW GP-38 model. The Denver and Rio Grande Western Railroad, reporting mark D&RGW, often shortened to Rio Grande, D&RG, or D&RGW. Formerly the Denver and Rio Grande Railroad, was an American Class I railroad company. The railroad started as a 3 feet 914 mm narrow gauge line running south from Denver, Colorado, in 1870. It served mainly as a transcontinental bridge line between Denver and Salt Lake City, Utah. The Rio Grande was also a major origin of coal and mineral traffic. The Rio Grande was the epitome of mountain railroading, with a motto of "through the Rockies, not around them," and later main line "through the Rockies," both referring to the Rocky Mountains. The D&RGW operated the highest mainline rail line in the United States, over the 10,240 feet 3,120 meters Tennessee Pass in Colorado, and the famed routes through the Moffat Tunnel and the Royal Gorge. At its height in the mid-1880s, the D&RGW had the largest narrow-gauge railroad network in North America with 2,783 miles, 4,479 kilometers, of track interconnecting the states of Colorado, New Mexico, and Utah. Known for its independence, the D&RGW operated the Rio Grande Zephyr until its discontinuation in 1983. This was the last private intercity passenger train in the United States until Brightline, formerly Virgin Trains USA, began service in Florida in 2018. In 1988, the Rio Grande's parent corporation, Rio Grande Industries, purchased Southern Pacific Transportation Company. And as the result of a merger, the larger Southern Pacific Railroad name was chosen for identity. The Rio Grande operated as a separate division of the Southern Pacific until that company was acquired by the Union Pacific Railroad. Today, most former D&RGW main lines are owned and operated by the Union Pacific, while several branch lines are now operated as Heritage Railways by various companies. The EMD GP-38 is a 4-axle road switcher diesel-electric locomotive built by General Motors Electromotive Division between January 1966 and December 1971. The locomotive's prime mover was an EMD 645 16-cylinder engine that generated 2,000 horsepower, 1.49 megawatts. The company built 706 GP-38s for North American railroads. In 1972, EMD began making an updated model, the GP-38-2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.